Hello and welcome back to part 2 of our Dubai adventure. In this episode, we are going to cover the Mall of the Emirates, Miracle Garden, and Global Village. We decided to veer off our personal itinerary this day and went with suggestions we were given by our hotel concierge instead. Here's another tip. A rental car is not necessary in Dubai since the metro will take you where you want to go for a very low price. This map shows the route we took to get to the Mall of the Emirates, then to the Miracle Garden. The red line shows the transit rail metro we took from the marina area directly to the mall. It took just over 20 minutes to get to the mall and it only cost 2 AED. At the metro station nearest our hotel, the DMCC, staff encouraged us to buy the Metro Pass and keep a running balance of at least 7.5 AED in order to ensure we had our out and back trip covered. We would use this daily, so we put a balance of 50 AED on the card to start. You know you are near the metro when you see buildings that look like this. It's a great way to reorient yourself if you're feeling confused or lost. It's easy to find Mall of the Emirates as it resides at one of the metro stops. A walkway takes you directly from the station right into the mall. It's a multi-level mall with classic design and architecture. We had heard so much about the indoor ski area in Dubai that we had to check this out. The sign shows that it costs $275 AED or approximately $90 US to ski for a couple of hours. According to Wikipedia, this indoor resort features an 85-meter high indoor mountain, equivalent to a 25-story building. It has 5 slopes of various steepness and difficulty, including a 400-meter long run, the world's first indoor black diamond run, and various features like boxes, rails, and kickers that are changed on a regular basis. From the mall, we could look through the windows to watch what was going on inside. Adjoining the slopes is a 3,000 square meter snow park play area comprising of a sled and toboggan runs, climbing towers, giant snowballs, and an ice cave. A twin luge lets visitors race each other from one end of the twisting track to the other. A quad lift and a tow lift carry skiers and snowboarders up the mountain. Equipment such as skis and jackets are provided with the ticket, or you can choose to buy equipment in nearby stores. The area is kept approximately 29 degrees Fahrenheit or -2 Celsius. There is a souvenir shop at the entry to purchase Ski Dubai trinkets that prove you were there. We stopped at Magic Planet up the stairs from Ski Dubai. It is an all-encompassing arcade for kids with everything from bumper cars to bowling. The bus station is near the metro in the mall parking lot. We found the platform for Route 105, which took us out to Miracle Garden, a 45-minute bus ride. Although progress is in works, traffic looks similar to our roads back at home. Homes are lined along the road, which by the looks of it will become a full-fledged freeway soon. Miracle Garden is the world's largest natural flower garden featuring over 50 million flowers and 250 million plants. The line to enter the gardens was very short. It cost 40 AED for each of us to enter, which is approximately $13 US, and it's open from mid-November to mid-May. The Miracle Garden's breathtaking landscape has earned 2 Guinness World Records. The first is the world's largest floral sculpture forming the shape of an Airbus A380. As you can see, the wings of the plane are held aloft with tall tree stumps. Miracle Garden has received accolades for the tallest topiary sculpture as well. The garden features Disney's first character floral display in the Middle East, and it's made from almost 100,000 plants and flowers and weighs almost 35 tons. The other Guinness World Record they hold is the world's largest vertical garden. As you see in these photos, they have gone to great lengths and heights to meet the challenge. According to Wikipedia, rainfall in Dubai is infrequent and does not last for a long period. It mostly rains during the winter months between December and March in the form of a short downpour or an occasional thunderstorm. On average, rain falls only 5 days a year. As you can see, we were here one of those days. We took our bus back to Mall of the Emirates, then waited for the 106 bus to take us to Global Village. The entrance fee for Global Village is 15 AED. It runs from October to April and is open from 4 p.m. to midnight. The attraction features 26 pavilions. According to Wikipedia, it claims to be the world's largest tourism, leisure, shopping, and entertainment project. Large markets are set by country and territories, each with their own unique style and architecture, as well as products, handicrafts, and food that set them apart. During the evening, programs and stage shows are featured on the grounds. The carnival area offers fairground rides, games of skill, and arcade games as well. For an extra 3 AED, which is only like $1 US, we bought tickets to the stunt show Survivor, which is an action-packed stunt show with highly skilled drivers. They have fight scenes, drifting cars, stunt bikes, quad bikes, and amazing monster trucks in death-defying stunts. Please forgive my camera on this one, but I tried to capture 2 of the stunt cars that were covered in LED lights. The cars made it look effortless to change graphics according to the story unraveling before us. At least you can get a sense of what's going on.
Yes, he's trying to control it.
A dramatic finale included a flame-throwing tank, which added to the excitement. I had to put this slide in here because my husband liked this building, reminiscent of the Sydney Opera House in all its color. I had wished we had more time and energy to scour more parts of this amazing property. My suggestion would be to have a relaxing day, then go straight to Global Village in order to take advantage of everything they have to offer. We took the 106 bus back to the Mall of the Emirates, then the metro all the way back to the DMCC station near our hotel in the marina. This is the end of part 2 and our 3rd day in Dubai. Please stay tuned as part 3 will continue on with our trip as we travel to Bur Dubai by ferry, shop our way through the souks on both sides of the Dubai Creek, and admire art in the galleries of Old Town. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the circle here. YouTube will recognize my efforts when I have more subscribers.